Hello, my friends. Some of you may know the Pigs Make Me Sneeze book. It's part of the Elephant and Piggy book series by Mo Willems, one of my favorite children's authors. If you don't have any Mo Willems books, you should look them up because they're super funny. And what you need to know is that Elephant and Piggy are best friends. So here we go. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want, yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no! What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye. Gerald. Sniff, sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, 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 great news. I have a cold. Good for you. I guess Piggy got kind of sick, huh? The end.